Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with a Shirogorov Custom Division Quantum for a quick review and unboxing. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content, because yeah guys, I'm bringing you something pretty special. This is the Quantum Custom Division by Shirogorov knives, and unboxing is just like really quick because of course there's just a microfiber cloth and you're gonna be welcomed by this goodness of a knife. I mean, fantastic. It's just spectacular. I love the production version of this one, but I love this one even more because it's just a custom division. So overall length is going to be the same, like at 8.75 inches with a roughly 4-inch long blade and like almost 5-inch long handle. So truly spectacular frame lock, titanium frame lock from Shirogorov Custom Division. This is the Quantum Custom Division, dual anodized scales, pivot color, titanium blue anodized. This is bronze and this is blue, of course. You've got fantastic dual tone S90V steel Persian style blade with a fantastic swedge and great jimping going on. All belly, nice sharpening choil, laser thin behind the edge, stainless steel lock face insert. Of course, pivot collar is matching on the lock side. You have some extra milling going on the scales compared to the regular Quantum. You have a nice anodized, of course, titanium backspacer with integrated lanyard hole. Like this is like, I don't know, a sports car design. It's something like crazy. It's beautifully done. You have hidden screw in the presentation side, so there's no screw here. Hidden screw for the pocket clip 3D mill titanium as well and anodized as well. Custom division screw for the handle. I mean, centering is just spot on. This blade is fantastic. The sound is just ridiculously pleasant. The action, guys, is something I don't know. It's look at this, guys. It's I don't know, I'm speechless. It's just incredible action. The grip is crazy, perfect. There's no hot spots. The clip is one of the best designed clip in the industry. Look at this profile, low profile, indentation. This guy is not resting on the lock bar, by the way, but on the frame itself. So beautifully done. It's a masterpiece, guys, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.